Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continuing with our Invisible Hand Star Wars ship build. It's from the 25 years of LEGO Star Wars set, or the 25th anniversary. So let's get back into it. And here is our first page. And the next one is just going to be doing probably the same stuff, but on the other side. Okay, I need to move these. They are very much in the way. Okay. What? I'll tell you later. Okay. We're not even on that step. Already forgot what we were doing. So we need to get a dark gray. So it's a dark gray, blue. It's another dark gray, and it slides, not really slides, it connects right there. Okay. Now on to the next step. We need to spin that around. Oh, it's on my phone. Okay. Goes there. Haven't built this in a little bit, so there's kind of some dust on it. Okay, on to the next page. There's that. And the next steps. Okay, so we need this, and then a longer piece. Snap on there. And we need a dark L to go there. Wait, hang on. What? Yeah. That is not the piece we need. We need this one, I think. Yes. Okay, now have a white piece that goes here, I believe. Yep. Then a gray slip piece. Then a flat 1x2 and another one of these. Okay. Okay. Now we need 3 blues and 2 dark grays. There's the 3 blues and the 2 dark grays. Perfect. And we need this piece to go on the front there. Okay, on to the next page. There's that. And the next page. Okay, so still looking at it like this. I think that's, yeah, that's, I don't know why I'm holding it up here. Yeah. There's freaking pet hair on this thing, man. Don't get pets. Their hair gets everywhere. Okay. So, let me angle this up a bit. Okay, so now we need this piece and a black 1x3. And now we need this to go here. Need one of those longer plates and one below it. Okay, on to the next page. There's that. And the next page. And if I'm showing them too fast, you know, as usual, you can always just pause it, see the step, and then resume. Or you can just go on Lego site. The directions are on Lego site too. There it is. Okay. Okay, now we need another one of these. Looking at it like this. There it is. Okay. And it just snaps on like that. Okay, on to the next page. There's that. And the next steps, which, you know, are basically doing everything that we've already done, but just kind of reversed. So we need another L to go there. A blue 1x2 and a stair step thing to go all the way up. Yep. And it just goes here, snaps on there. Okay, this next step we need to do 3 times, just like last time. I don't know why I set that one down. Okay, we got 2 done, just one more. Okay, and they go here. Okay, starting with the blue. Two there, and then 2 dark grays, maybe. Two dark grays. What the heck? Okay, on to the next page. And the next page, looks like we're flipping it over and putting some stuff down there. And we need 4 more of these. Let's try not to throw them. Okay. Really? Okay. Now you can see through the little hanger bay. And if you look close, those are supposed to be the ships. Okay, but now we need to flip it over. And I guess we'll do this piece first. It goes there, I believe. And that piece there. I'll leave it flipped over for now. There's the next steps. And the next page. Okay, so we need this little dark gray piece. I don't know how that got way over there. That. Well, that's not good. I think that might have just ruined all of my women's brackets. Louisville just got beat by an 11 rank. Or they were ranked 6 and they got beat by an 11. Okay, I think that's it. So we need to flip it over, it looks like, and put it here. Okay. Now on to the next step. We need to flip this back over. I guess it's just going to be at an angle until we put it on a stand, because I don't know why this couldn't wait. Okay, so we need one of these. 2 of those. Another one on top. And this here. Like that. And it... Wait, okay, we need to have it like this. And put it in this. Yep. Okay. On to the next page. And we're going to be in bag number 3 pretty soon. So we need this little circle here. Put on a clear semicircle. And one of these pieces. And then this one. And this little graded piece. Or see-through, whatever. And this goes just at the top. Like that. I think. I don't know. But anyway. That is bag number 2 done. So let's get bag number 3 out and opened up. Okay. Actually, not okay. We still have this. That is a lot of yellow pieces. Okay. Let's get the first 2 pages shown. There's that. And the next page. Okay, so we need this and a little upside down square. And this plate goes on top of that. So now we need to flip it over. We need 2 of these coming off of that plate. And another flat piece in the middle. Okay. The next step is just 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and where's the last one? I mean, there's a dark gray one, but it's not what we need. There it is. There's that. And now we need an upside down white piece. So now we flip it back over like this. We need 2 1x2s with a little hook on it, I think. Yeah. Two 1x2s with a little hook. Am I blind? I don't even see one. There they are. I figured they would be in the little piece pile. Okay, so I bet this hooks onto here. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway, on to the next page. So there's that. And the next page. So we need 2 of these pieces. And a graded piece on top of the hook pieces. And 3 of these. Maybe. 1, 2, 3, and then these little 1x2 yellows in between. Okay. Okay, so these go in between the blacks. Maybe. We only need 4 of them. And these yellows go in between those. And 2 and 3. All right. So we can put that off to the side because now we need to be working on the next page, which starts with this dark gray piece. With this dark gray piece, we need another one of those to come off there. So now we need this pink, this little 1x2 that turns into a 1, and a circle piece. Right there. Okay. Oh. Now we need a 1x4 or 2x4 to hook into the pink. And I think I'm gonna end it there. So if you want to see more of the invisible hand be built, go ahead and subscribe to know when the next video goes up. Leave a like, comment, all that fun stuff, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.